Going to the market, use these English words. Learn 5 useful words you'll need at the market. Price, cheap, expensive, discount, fresh. Which word did you already know? Follow for more shopping English. Can you say this tongue twister? Let's try it together. Practice pronunciation with this fun tongue twister. She sells seashells by the seashore. Say it 3 times fast. Repeat slowly and clearly. Focus on sh sound. Now try with a smile. Record yourself saying it and comment done. Follow for more fun English challenges. Want to compliment someone in English? Here are easy phrases. Learn how to give compliments politely. You look great today. I love your style. You're very kind. That's a great idea. You're really smart. Give someone a compliment in English today. Tag a friend and follow for more. Ever heard the word hangout? It's common slang. Learn what hangout really means in English. Let's hang out this weekend. Do you want to hang out after school? We're just hanging out at the mall. He likes to hang out with friends. She's hanging out at home today. Use hang out in a sentence below. Follow to sound more natural in English. Want to say goodbye in different ways? Let's learn together. Here are 5 casual ways to say goodbye. Later, see ya, peace out, take it easy, catch you later. Which one do you like best? Follow and comment your favorite. Want to practice with music lyrics? It's fun and helpful. 5 steps to learn English from songs. Choose a favorite English song. Listen and read the lyrics. Find and learn new words. Sing along slowly. Repeat until you remember it. Try this method today and comment your song. Save this tip and follow for more. Going to the doctor in English? Here's what to say. Learn 5 useful English phrases for a doctor visit. I don't feel well. I have a headache. My stomach hurts. I feel dizzy. Do I need medicine? Which phrase would you use first? Follow for more real-life English. Want to sound more fluent? Try these connectors. Use these 5 connectors to speak smoothly. Because so, however, also. Then use 2 connectors in one sentence below. Follow for more grammar in action. How do you describe today's weather? Here are easy examples. 5 simple ways to talk about weather in English. It's sunny today. It's raining a lot. It's really hot outside. It's cloudy and cool. It's freezing this morning. Describe your weather today in English. Follow and comment your answer. Want to build speaking confidence? Try this mirror trick. Practice English speaking with yourself. Stand in front of a mirror. Pick one topic to talk about. Speak for 1 minute without stopping. Watch your face and lips. Smile while speaking. Try this now and comment, I did it. Follow for confidence-boosting tips.